us that we have in our grasp the power to achieve
Nathan, come out
anything
here.
if we can but
Idhar
summon
aa
the
jaao, Papa
will.
pass. I need to take my earphone. Come here.
Thank you for coming and seeing the honored construction achievements of the 20th century. Feel free to stay and take all the pictures you wish.
Okay.
The next presentation is located across the street at the flagpole.
चला ये देखना है पापा पास ओके चला आ जाए इधर आगे देखो
Let me help you inside.
Welcome to the observation deck overlooking the world famous Hoover Dam.